Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Visual Studio Code inside of your browser online. What you want to do is you want to go to the website neverinstall.com. Go to this website, and then you want to create yourself an account. You can use an email or like a Google account or a GitHub account. I used a Google account for this, just a dummy account. You can do this. And then what you want to do is you want to go to development. And then you want to scroll down and click on VS Code and launch in US. There's other options too. You can use Android Studio, IntelliJ, Eclipse, PyCharm, Jupyter, and Atom is still in the development. But for this video, I'm going to use VS Code. So we're going to launch in the US. And then we're going to go, and then it's going to, load up here. And until it gets 100%, it'll say open in browser. You want to click on open in browser. And then you will get this screen, right? And get started. You will, pick your color and stuff for what it wants to look like. And then you want to click on new file. And then you can start coding if you want to. There's also another thing you can do. You can go to all apps. And you can go to Chrome. So basically, you can have. Let me just delete this. You want to make sure when you're not using VS Code anymore, you want to pause it. Save and pause. So then you can use it another time. But anyways, you can, if you want to use like a browser and like play games on a browser, like your school blocked it or something, then you can actually play games. So all you gotta do is, go to all apps, scroll down to Chrome, click on launch in US, then it'll go to your MySpace thing, and then it'll go here. Wait until it hits 100%. Click open in browser. And then it will load your stream. And then you have your own browser. So, you can go, I don't know, I'll just play Prodigy or something, I don't know. Prodigy game or something. If they block GeForce Now, you can go to GeForce Now, I guess, and play Fortnite on it. You can also go to like a game website. I don't know if I'm go to I guess. I don't know. Just any. They can play FNF or something. It's a little bit laggy, but you can also check your internet speed. But yeah, basically that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed.